Hello everyone, and this is Daisy and I'm from Ulefone. As you can see, is our booth. We are right now at the MWC26 and I'm very excited to introduce our new model, RugOne. It's called Xsnap 7 Pro, and clearly you can see it has a action camera, and this is how you can use this camera. You can press this button like this and you can take it out very easy. And you can see there has connection here, and also it has magnets. It's also wearable, so you can wear it and shooting the video as you wish. For this action camera, we also designed several accessories for it, like a camp clip and a chase clip and a mountain bracket, so we can look forward to it. And this one is, you can see this one is our X7 Pro. You can see it has a swappable battery. You can swap this and turn on the back. There has a pull. You can change your battery and without to turn off the phone. Like when you are at the outdoor activities and you have no place to charge the phone, you can take another battery for it. And you can see the battery capacity is 5550. We're gonna have 2 batteries in the package, so if you want more, you can buy more. But it's still waterproof and drop-proof and dust-proof. And also we are the first one to use this swappable battery in the rugged field.
One thing that we almost forgot to mention is that this charging dock for the batteries. I mean, if you really need to charge it, like you have a charging station in the woods or at home, you need to charge the battery, and you can really use this one. I think it's a really convenient feature, right?
Well, you can see this one is our X-Link 7, and which is a smart speaker designed for outdoor activities. It supports one-touch activation of the AI voice assistant and a one-touch team-up, making team collaboration incredibly efficient. It's an AI noise cancelling core. Technology ensures clear communication, even in noise environments. Additionally, it features triple satellite pulse-link, GPS, GLONASS, and BeiDou for precise and reliable location tracking. With 4G connectivity and Bluetooth 5.2, it keeps you connected and accessible whether you are on an outdoor adventure, greatly enhancing safety. So this one is very convenient for you to use in outdoor activities.
Hi, I'm Alex Cabo. I work for MCR. We're a Spanish distributor, and we have been working with Ulefone more than 5 years. But I personally have been working with Ulefone for more than 10 years. Ulefone has been a great partner throughout this way. They have been always focusing on bringing the best rugged phones into the market. We have found a very niche product for key users who are looking for rugged phones because either they work in very tough environments or because they experience some extreme sports as well, or just because they're looking for endurance phones with a better battery life or better resistance. And we have been able to satisfy them all thanks to Ulefone. Ulefone has always been on top of the innovation, not only through their smartphones, but also through tablets and other ecosystem products. Most recently, they have launched also smartwatches, so obviously rugged smartwatches that align perfectly with the idea of these telephones as well. And recently, they have introduced something which is very innovative, which is the RugOne series. Because the RugOne series it's the first smartphone where you can replace the battery without having to turn it off. That is a key essential product when you're looking at endurance testing, when you're looking at professional grade phones, or when you're looking at professional environments where you need to be using the smartphone for more than 8 hours. For us, it's great to work with Ulefone, and we just look forward to keep this cooperation for many years to come.
All right, this is the visit to the Ulefone booth. I think they made 3 amazing products. Although some of the features are still in the developing time, we wouldn't be able to demonstrate all of them right now, but the ideas behind the product is quite awesome, right? So stay tuned for the release, and you can get more info from their website later, and I'll see you next time.